Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how to use AI chat option on the designs.ai. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the AI website, designs AI website, and then we have to create our account. And after account creation, we have to open this. So for example, I'm going to open this in a new window, and let's go to follow this link here. So as you can see, now we are here. Now simply we have to ask the questions that what you want to ask. For example, I'm going to ask like, so as you can see, I have provided this one. Now simply we have to click on this and you will get the answers from this AI chat. You can use this AI chat here. So as you can see, we are getting a different types of answers here. You can follow them. If you want to modify this answer, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to write like make it shorter. So I'm going to write the make it shorter here and you will get the answer accordingly. So as you can see, in this way, you can use your AI chat option on the designs.ai website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you guys in the next video.